Unbelievable how much I drive this Corvette. I have moved right into it. I probably put 500 miles on it every week now. Still not finished with it. I drove it to a Corvette show in Granbury this weekend and entered it. Not to have it judged, but I had the only blue C2 Corvette there. I think most C2 Corvettes are built for resale, so they're painted red or black. They look good, but I'm kind of glad this one's blue. I'm in the middle of putting vintage air on it. I've got to wait on a few parts. So that's kind of delayed a little bit. I've still got some of my gauges I need to hook up. The 5-speed works really good. I'm running about 2,500 RPMs at 80 miles an hour versus 2,500 RPMs at 50 miles an hour with the 4-speed. So that's awfully nice. It's been a really fun car. It's real dependable, and I drive it back and forth to work. I'm doing all the stuff I said I would with it. Still got to put the tops on it and stuff, and you know, I can't drive it when it rains, and it's going to rain supposedly the rest of this week, so I'll probably be driving my 57 Chevrolet during that time. But it sure has been a blast. I have really enjoyed it. I'm glad that I get to have this kind of fun with my life at this age. I wanted one of these blue 67 Corvette convertibles for over 40 years. And this is my day. Thanks for watching.